Once you've installed it, you can start the Red Air plugin from the Analysis tab. The plugin has a main UI to the side and a separate piece that you can place above or below. I've got MACE and Armor open, but I haven't locked the top lock, so whatever I click on will become the first person view in Armor. I've also opened one multifunction display from the MACE Combat Displays tab. The plugin allows you to drag and drop useful buttonized scripts into the UI that you can activate by double-clicking at any time in the mission. These three slots at the bottom are single-click activation. And if you have one, the three buttons on the bottom of a VAE-DEER volume controller would also activate these scripts, as well as the volume controller controlling the turns of any selected entity. The lower UI allows me to add selected entities or select from the map leaders of the formations I want to control. Now I can click on these preset favourites and they'll be selected on the MACE map for control. The plugin allows you to set up common formations without going through the MACE Platform Properties dialog form. Select the wingman, select the type of formation you want, press Set and click on the leader and the formation is established. I can control the selected entity by using the top heading slide. I can initiate any of my saved buttonized script maneuvers by double-clicking on the left-hand side. Aircraft will coordinate their turns to ensure that formation integrity is re-established as quickly as possible. You can manually target another entity by using this duplicate of the target button. When selected on, the plugin enables the Launch Acceptability Region display on the MACE map. It dynamically scales in accordance with target aspect and speed. The plugin allows you to easily break formation, perform a maneuver and then rejoin the original formation at any time by clicking this button. You can kill and resurrect any selected entity, and you can also temporarily make an entity invulnerable by pressing the Shields Up button. The Auto Target button selects the most appropriate target based on distance, speed and aspect. Here you can see it disregards the closer target in favour of the hot aspect, fast approaching target. By selecting optimal steering, when you select shoot, the selected entity will turn to the most appropriate heading before firing to ensure the most efficient missile shot. You can perform post-shot maneuvers manually using the sliders or by double-clicking any of your maneuver buttons, but the shoot button itself has several options to shoot and maneuver, including lofts, cranks and extension maneuvers. Here we're using a different type of script on the targeted aircraft to put out a towed decoy. Once the decoy has done its job, we can use the other script to snip the decoy. You can use the plugin to dispense countermeasures, like flares and chaff, and resurrect dead entities, protect entities from incoming shots, and kill entities at will. You can use the plugin to step through the available weapons. And of course the MFD is always available for those functions too. And finally, you can save the settings for each Red Air profile and restore them later on. This will save all of your buttonized script configurations and UI configuration.